Want to know how to equip the best gears for your heroes in Game of Thrones, King's Road? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to explain you through how you can easily equip the best gear for your heroes so you can fight efficiently. So equipping gear or equipping the right gear in King's Road Mobile can completely change the outcome of battles for you. Focus on gearing your main team first. Make sure you don't waste rare items on heroes you rarely use. Check gear stats carefully. So, some items boost damage while others improve survivability. Upgrade gear gradually to save resources and only max out items that give the best bonuses. Using the right gear at the right time makes your heroes much stronger. That helps you clear missions and events faster. And that's it. Super simple and easy. This is how you easily will be able to equip the best gear for your heroes in Game of Thrones. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.